Is Madison Ziegler.
My name's Eric Reyes.
My name is Daryl Hensley.
I'm Josh Harold.
Jason Binkley.
How long have you been working here? What's your title?
I am the Senior Lead Quality Inspector here.
I am a trainer developer.
I am the Fabrication Department Manager.
Team lead.
My main job title as a CWI means that I oversee all the welding within the corporation.
I am a quality inspector.
Justin.
What's your favorite part of your job?
Being able to check the quality of the work to make sure that we have the best bodies possible going out to our customers.
I love metal, I love bending metal, I love the fabrication department and all the team members in it.
I like meeting the guys, seeing how the jobs work, and then figuring out how to create training material based on that.
Best thing ever. Definitely sawing and the atmosphere and the people here.
Trying to put out the best product we can to our customers. For example, making sure that these bodies, when they leave the line, they're not rusting or,
This is year 19 for me. I started at 20 years old. I've worked in fabrication all 3 shifts, 5 years at least, all 3 shifts, materials for a few years.
3 years, a little over 3 years.